Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Georgia insurance laws, rules, and regulations to help you prepare for your insurance license exam. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, this video will break down all the key topics, subtopics, and points you need to know. Let's get started. 1. Insurance Department and Commissioner. The Insurance Commissioner is the chief officer of the Georgia Insurance Department. Their primary role is to enforce insurance laws in the state. Here's what they can do. Organize the department, assign duties to staff, and create rules to enforce Georgia's insurance code and HIPAA. Issue rulings, interpret regulations, and create necessary forms. Examine insurers, investigate insurance companies to ensure compliance. Conduct hearings, hold hearings for violations of insurance laws. Public records, maintain a set of current rules and regulations for public access. Example, if an insurer is suspected of unfair practices, the commissioner can investigate and hold a hearing. 2. Orders and notices. Written orders. All orders and notices must be in writing, signed by the commissioner, and include an effective date and purpose. Delivery. Orders can be served in person or by mail. Example, if an insurer violates a rule, the commissioner issues a written cease and desist order. 3. Hearings. The commissioner can hold hearings for various purposes. Purpose: to investigate violations or resolve disputes. Notice: written notice must be given at least 10 days in advance. Public access. Hearings are open to the public and don't follow strict courtroom rules. Example: if an agent is accused of fraud, a hearing will be held to determine the facts. 4. Enforcement, civil actions, and penalties. The commissioner can issue orders, prohibit activities that violate insurance laws. Emergency orders act immediately if public safety is at risk. Penalties impose fines up to $5,000 per violation or place licensees on probation. Example, if an agent sells insurance without a license, they could face a $2,000 fine. 5. Examination of records. The commissioner can examine insurers' financial records. Frequency: domestic insurers must be examined every 5 years. Confidentiality: examination records are confidential and not subject to public disclosure. Example, if an insurer is suspected of financial instability, the commissioner can audit their records. 6. Domestic, foreign, and alien insurers. Domestic: insurers incorporated in Georgia. Foreign: insurers from another U.S. state. Alien: insurers from outside the U.S. Example, a company based in Florida is a foreign insurer in Georgia. 7. Stock and mutual companies. Stock companies, owned by shareholders who share profits. Mutual companies, owned by policyholders who receive dividends. Example, a mutual company might return profits to policyholders as dividends. 8. Authorized versus unauthorized insurers. Authorized: insurers with a certificate of authority to sell in Georgia. Unauthorized: insurers without a certificate of authority. Example, selling insurance for an unauthorized insurer is illegal. 9. Licensing of agents, counselors, and adjusters. Agent licensing: required to sell, solicit, or negotiate insurance. Continuing education: 24 hours every 2 years, 3 hours in ethics. Reinstatement: lapsed licenses can be reinstated within 12 months. Example, if you fail to complete CE, your license will lapse. 10. Controlled business. Definition: policies written on family, employers, or entities the agent controls. Limit: controlled business should not exceed 25% of total business. Example, writing policies for your spouse is controlled business. 11. Unfair practices. Twisting: misleading clients to replace existing policies. Churning: replacing policies to earn more commissions. Rebating: offering illegal discounts to induce sales. Example, if an agent convinces a client to replace a policy for no real benefit, it's twisting. 12. Life and health insurance, Guaranty Association. Purpose: protects policyholders if an insurer becomes insolvent. Coverage: up to $300,000 in life insurance benefits. Example, if your insurer goes bankrupt, the Guaranty Association steps in. 13. Long-term care insurance. Requirements: policies must offer inflation protection and non-forfeiture benefits. Training: Agents need 8 hours of initial training to sell LTC policies. Example, an LTC policy must cover at least 12 months of care. 14. Medicare supplements. Rules. Policies cannot duplicate Medicare benefits. Free look. 30-day free look period for policyholders. Example, a Medicare supplement policy cannot exclude pre-existing conditions after 6 months. 15. Unfair claims practices. The following are considered unfair claims practices: misrepresenting policy provisions, failing to acknowledge claims promptly, refusing to pay claims without a reasonable investigation. Example, if an insurer delays a claim without justification, it's an unfair practice. 16. Fraud. Fraud includes making false statements to obtain insurance benefits, issuing fake insurance policies. Penalties: up to 10 years in prison and fines up to $10,000 per violation. Example, if an agent forges a policyholder's signature, it's fraud. 17. Fiduciary responsibility. Definition: agents must act in the best interest of the insurer and policyholders. Commingling, mixing personal funds with premiums, is prohibited. Example, an agent must keep premium payments in a separate account. 18. Life insurance provisions. Free look period: 10 days to review a policy and cancel for a full refund. Grace period: 30 days to pay overdue premiums without policy cancellation. Incontestability: after 2 years, the insurer cannot contest the policy. Example, if a policyholder misses a payment, they have 30 days to pay before the policy lapses. 19. Group health insurance. Conversion privilege. Employees can convert group coverage to an individual policy upon termination. Extension of benefits. Coverage continues for ongoing claims after policy termination. Example, if you leave your job, you can convert your group health plan to an individual policy. 20. Medicare supplements and long-term care partnerships. Medicare supplements cannot duplicate Medicare benefits and must have a 30-day free look period. LTC Partnerships provide an alternative to Medicaid by offering private long-term care insurance. Example, a Medicare supplement policy must clearly outline its benefits and exclusions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Georgia insurance laws, rules, and regulations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips and tricks. Good luck on your journey to becoming a licensed insurance professional.